Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way where you can find and where you can change language in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to Battle.net, and when you will be in Battle.net, you want to go to left top settings and click here on the Blizzard logo, click settings, and when you're gonna be here, I think you can see it, right? Yep. What you want to do is go here to game settings, and now you're gonna select additional command arguments. Yes, okay, the game is running right now, but you can change it. Just close the game. I'm not going to close it, but you get an idea. So we go here, Blizzard, settings, game settings, and just change it here. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.